I traveled to Chicago for business, but I didn't want to miss the city's attractions. My room had a view of the magnificent Mile. Lucky me. The first place I wanted to visit was the Claud Gate. It is located at the Millennium Park and it was inspired by liquid mercury. The sculpture's surface reflects and distorts the city's skyline. It was fantastic. The Millennium Monument is a tribute to the benefactors of the Millennium Park in Chicago. I wanted to try the famous deep dish pizza, so I went to Giordano's and ordered the special one. The small size is enough for two unless you have a big appetite. My quick trip to Chicago was excellent, and I wanted to return. Check the video description for more information and tips about visiting the city. And please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you.